Alright, got to excuse the dog when they bark in the background. I just mounted the 4 Big Bangers to the front of the truck. I got combos on the amber combos right here. I got the spots in the center. They do have the DRLs in the back. I'm still waiting on my XB headlights. I gotta change the grill lights, which are of course Morimoto, and all the clearance lights, which would be Morimoto. So, but when I bought this truck, it was unmolested. It didn't have anything done to it. It was completely stock. So this is what I've done to it so far. I had Allsouth Autosports in Beaufort, Georgia, installed this RPG front bumper. I gotta cut that exhaust off. I'm going to upgrade that. They dovetailed the rear. They installed the RPG Raceline rear bumper for me with the sensors and the hitch. Again, that was Allsouth Autosports. They dovetailed it, like I said. I've got more Morimoto tail lights to go right here. Like I said, I got clearance lights to go there. Soon I'll have my GJ Motorsports light. I'm hoping to get all my lights and everything connected tomorrow. Aikens Ford and Winder is going to do my bed liner. Spray and bed liner next week. I got to set that up. If not next week, the week after. I'm getting my Method 317 markdown put on Tuesday with Nitto 35 1250 17-inch wheels, tires. It'll be the ridge grappers. I ran them on my other truck for like almost 60,000 miles. Had no problems out of them. So these wheels will be going up for sale soon. Let's look inside real quick, show you the last mod I did. Of course, I gotta clean my WeatherTech floor mats, but they're in here. Out of my other truck, I got the SVT floor mats that came with it, and then I got my built right with the round mounts. You see, I got my GoPro mount there, and I got 2 mounts. What I do is I use the GoPro for storm chasing or off-roading, but I got some ideas. That other mount did hold my radio Icon 5100 head unit, but I got some other ideas for my head unit now. But that's pretty much it. This truck's pretty much stock. It's got like 103,000 miles on it. But said I'm gonna do all Morimoto lights. They just blink in the mirrors, puddle lights. All together, it's gonna be coming together. I do have Big Bangers to go right here on the A pillars. I'll be putting my Switch Pros 9100 in there, and I'm trying to think if I'm gonna put 2 bangers back here or my 1 bangers. I haven't decided. I may put my 2 bangers up front as ditch lights, and at the moment I'm gonna be putting Baja Design S2 flush mounts right there. That's what it's made for. And then I got to make a backup light. I do have my tag covered, but I got it at CarMax. It looks good. It had no accidents, 103,000 miles. Got a lot of mods coming up for it. A lot of it's coming off the old truck. So we'll see what happens. And follow me on Instagram, Tornadic Raptor, TORNADIC RAPTOR. Again, that's Tornadic Raptor. I'm on Instagram that underneath that name. Just send it. Have a good one.